Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. This is Talent Tuesday and attempt number who knows what, 12, 13 at the Petri effect. And as I'm getting tired of doing this all over and over and over again, I thought I would put in a little charm in the middle, hopefully. And I had this bag that I ordered online, probably from Amazon, that have all these different sea creatures. So I thought I'd put a starfish in the middle. I just cut off that link using these thingies. So I'm gonna put that in. Does that look center-ish? Whatever, it's the ocean. Work with me. So again, I have mixed up about 3 ounces of resin, and it's Art Pro resin by Resin Pro. Is that a big bubble stuck under there? Yep. That's okay. You can get that out. And that's basically 85 grams, 3 ounces of the 3:2 resin. Art Pro's a 3:2, and I'm gonna try the Petri effect yet again. I did one that was really cool, and I thought for sure it wouldn't work, and it ended up kind of working. I had sprayed my mold with some isopropyl alcohol, but then my alcohol inks, for whatever reason, didn't spread on the top. So then I had to take a paper towel and I sucked up everything. It did leave a film, so I sucked all the alcohol ink off and most of whatever that stuff was. And it did spread more the second time I tried it, but it still wasn't great. So I pretty much wrote it off, thought it was a complete failure. And it actually worked out pretty well, surprisingly. It was this one. So I'm like, yeah, let's do that again. And then of course it didn't work when I tried to do it again, as it will, because it wanted to be a beast. Okay, get out, bubble. Be free. Head to the surface, head towards the light. Excellent. All right, everything's in place. So what I'm gonna try and do with this one is repeat what I did with this one. Shoot, after I get the bubbles out. And this was why I had sprayed it with alcohol, so that these bubbles wouldn't be in the crease. But then, yeah, I had issues. Who knew? I mean, I know that sometimes you'll get a film on the top from using isopropyl alcohol, and I use 99%, so I don't know where that film is coming from. And, you know, you're using alcohol inks anyway, so what the what? Can you tell I'm frustrated? Just a little. Okay, so the colors: purple, sapphire blue, cerulean, turquoise, and the sinker white. Hope I still have enough in there. I've been using this a lot. Did I mention I've done this like 13, 14 times? And I'm trying to put the alcohol ink right to the edge. And then we're gonna do this one. Look at that. I love my blues. Love, love, love them. Ceruleans. Beautiful. Turquoise. There, and woohoo! I'm just throwing that around. I'm gonna leave that purple how it is. I'm gonna add more of these other colors. Trying to really make sure that the alcohol inks are covering every part of the resin on the top. Got one more turquoise. I'm gonna add 3 turquoise. Now while it's still kind of spreading there, I'm gonna add in my sinker white. And now I'm gonna go through and do it again. Am I out of it? I'm right at the end. None left. Goes to show you how much I've tried this. I think there's another one in this packet. There is. Maybe I'll do a third series. All right, let's see what happens with this one. Moment of truth. I was like, oh, look, it formed a star. Forgot I had put that starfish in there. I don't see any blobbies though that came through, so I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that is cool. It's very subtle. I like this one. Finally, I like one. All right, so look at these ones. And then this was the, nope, that's not the one. Here it is. Oh, wow. I'm really liking this one. Finally, I had a little bit of that kind of edge come over. See where it dropped down and then kept going? Kept moving with the resin. Oh, I think this is probably my favorite one. One because of the colors. Now, if I could just get it where these thingies are a little bit bigger, that would be the bomb diggity. Eek! All right, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And, I mean, this one was pretty cool too. But I'm gonna give it a little bit of a break considering I've done about 13 of these in a row. Yeah, it's just time to put this aside and do something different and then maybe come back to it. Look at that on the side. Looks like my starfish is floating over. Floating over the whatever that is. in the ocean. Okie dokie. Let me know what you think of these, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.